Hi, Lena Skvagersson here. When you are crocheting blocks or granny squares, usually you come to a point when it's time to join them. You can seam them together or you can crochet them together, and there are so many ways to crochet them together. I do have a favorite though. It's called the ZigZag joining. Let me show you how I do it. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use a contrasting yarn and those 2 blocks that I have from my Moroccan Afghan. So we start here now, putting a slip knot on our hook, just like so. Then I'm going to start down in the corner of the first block. I stick my hook through both loops, I yarn over and bring it through the corner stitch and also through the loop on my hook. Then I go over to my second block. I'm keeping the joining yarn here now in the back. So you see how I'm doing the same thing. I stick my hook through the stitch, bring up the loop, and also bring it through the loop on my hook. Now I'm going to be alternating back and forth. So I go back and into the next stitch over on the first block, wrap the working yarn around, bring it through the stitch and also through the loop on my hook. Next, I'm zigzagging my way over to the second block, go into the stitch, bring up a loop and also through the loop on my hook. Go into the next stitch on the first block, yarn over, bring through the stitch and also through the loop on my hook. So you can see how I continue alternating, going into the stitches on the first one, going into the stitches on the second one. So I work in each stitch across. We can already start seeing what it looks like. I just think it's so cute how the stitches are zigzagging their way across here. Very decorative, no matter if you work with the contrasting yarn or if you just pick the solid color of the border. So let me keep working for a little bit and we can take another look when I've reached further. I've been working the same way here now, all the way across to the opposite corners. So let's now take a final look. Ta-da! The ZigZag join. I hope you love it just as much as I do.